We are treasure hunters. We are going to find a treasure. It's going to fall on my head. Help! Look, there's a monster tree. Oh, Aya is going to climb the monster tree. Be careful, my Aya. Look, we found a treasure map.
This is the serpent rock carving. This was marked to find a very fabulous treasure under the rock. This was marked by the ancient Sri Lankans. This was marked near the Rankotvehera pagoda. This is the mark of a serpent. In Sinhala it is called the Naru Polanga. My seer said that Polonnaru was named by this rock carving. This was a very dangerous and slippery hike.
I saw lots of animals on this log. This was a great hike.
We found an ancient writing in the right rock that I'm holding. My little Inu had lots of fun climbing into the rock and sliding back down. My little Inu screamed of being frightened. But it was very fun for me. We found a very fun slide. It was made of rock.
Let's play, guys.
Are you crazy playing in the rock? It's dangerous.
No, it's not.
I saw Inu having lots of fun sliding here and there. Then I joined sliding with Inu too. It was very fun. We both slide together. We wished we can live here forever. Hey guys, you can play in this place like we did today, but you have to be very careful. We came here to find a treasure and we found it. It's not any gold, it's the pagoda. This pagoda is called the Rankotvehera. I had a marvelous time sitting on this rock and enjoying the view. Please subscribe our channel and click the bell icon.